Can you believe that there is a bridge in the world that required engineers to use military rockets just to build it? Or imagine walking on a glass floor where, beneath your feet, you can see a gorge thousands of feet deep, so terrifying that your heart jumps into your mouth. Friends, this is not a Hollywood movie. This is modern-day China, a country where people have carved paths through mountains, seas, and storms in ways that leave the world stunned. Today I'm going to show you 5 of China's most dangerous and mind-blowing bridges. Bridges so unbelievable that you may not trust your own eyes. And trust me, the bridge ranked number 1 is something you've probably never even imagined. So let's begin this incredible journey. Number 1. Beipanjiang Bridge. Friends, today's video begins with a masterpiece that completely defies logic. This is not just a bridge, it is an open challenge by humans against nature itself. Its name is the Beipanjiang Bridge. If you think you've seen tall buildings, pause for a moment. Close your eyes and imagine standing on the rooftop of a 200-story building. Yes, 200 floors. From that height, cars below look like ants, and your heart starts pounding with fear. Number 2. Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. Now we descend from the clouds and move on to the longest journey on Earth. At number 2 is the Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. If the previous bridge was the king of height, this one is the undisputed king of length. This bridge is so long that you can't see where it ends. Its total length is 164 kilometers. To put that into perspective, it's like traveling from Lahore halfway toward Islamabad, all while staying on a single bridge. It is the longest bridge ever built in human history. As you travel across it, the scenery constantly changes, sometimes land, sometimes rivers, lakes, and endless green rice fields. This bridge carries the high-speed train route between Beijing and Shanghai. But the real magic lies in its construction. A project of this size could have taken centuries, yet 10,000 workers working day and night completed it in just 4 years. And it's not just long, it's incredibly strong. The bridge is designed to withstand magnitude 8 earthquakes, powerful typhoons, and even collisions with massive ships. Even if a large vessel crashes into its pillars, the bridge won't suffer serious damage. This is engineering at its finest, proving that China leads not just in speed, but in strength and precision. Number 3. Sidu River Bridge. Now comes number 3. A story that feels straight out of a science fiction movie. This is the Sidu River Bridge, famous not just for its size, but for the unbelievable way it was built. The bridge spans an incredibly deep and deadly gorge where descending meant risking certain death. The biggest challenge was simple yet impossible. How do you send the first pilot cable across such a massive gap? The winds were too strong for helicopters, and the depth made any ground-level method impossible. Engineers were left stunned, unsure of what to do. Then came an idea so crazy it sounded insane. They decided to use a military rocket. Yes, you heard that right. For the first time in history, a rocket was used to build a bridge. Engineers attached a cable to a powerful rocket and launched it from one mountain to the other. The rocket hit its target perfectly, carrying the cable across the gorge. With that single explosive moment, the foundation of the bridge was laid. Number 4. Hong Kong-Zhuhai, Macau. Bridge at number 4 is a bridge that doesn't just cross land, it cuts through the sea itself. This is the Hong Kong-Zhuhai, Macau Bridge, the longest sea-crossing bridge in the world, stretching 55 kilometers. But what makes it truly shocking is that at one point, the bridge simply disappears into the ocean. As you're driving, the road suddenly dives underwater. This isn't magic, it's rare engineering brilliance. In the middle of the route lies a 6.7-kilometer underwater tunnel built so massive cargo ships could pass freely above. The scale of this project is unbelievable. The steel used could build 60 Eiffel Towers. Engineers have guaranteed that no matter how violent the sea becomes, This bridge will stand strong for at least 120 years. It proves that humans can travel not just over waves, but beneath them. Number 5. Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge. Finally, we reach a bridge that isn't just a journey, it's a test of your nerves. At number 5 is the Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge. Dear friends, brace yourselves. This place is not for the faint-hearted. Here, you don't walk on concrete or steel, you walk on transparent glass, suspended in the air. Beneath your feet lies a 980-foot deep abyss, staring back at you. These are the same mystical mountains that inspired the floating landscapes of the movie Avatar. Walking here feels like floating above the clouds, but in reality, even the bravest visitors find their legs shaking. Many tourists are seen crawling on their knees, screaming in fear, terrified that the glass might shatter. But don't worry. To prove its strength, authorities drove a 2-ton SUV across the glass. They even invited people to hit it with heavy hammers. The result? Not a single crack. This bridge is a rare blend of beauty and fear, an experience that words can't fully capture. If you dream of walking in the air and love adventure, this bridge is waiting for you. So friends, these were the 5 masterpieces that prove when humans make up their minds, mountains, seas, and clouds step aside. These bridges aren't just structures of steel and stone. They represent human stubbornness, the belief that nothing is impossible. Nature placed its toughest challenges before China, and humanity turned every obstacle into an opportunity. Now I have a question for you. If you were given only one chance in your lifetime, which bridge would you dare to visit? Above the clouds, beneath the sea, or on that terrifying glass bridge? Tell me in the comments. I'm waiting to hear your answer. And if this video made your heart race even a little, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more incredible stories, and let's keep this journey going together. Take care.